In the Elite Partyz app, you can manage multiple events. To add an event, go to the side menu and select Add Event. Enter the name of the person organising the event name, and short description of the event. From the drop-down menu, select the category of your event. Enter your budget and select the start date and start time. You have the option to set the end time of the event. If there is no set end time, select the checkbox. In this case, I'm setting an end time. Set the date your guests need to RSVP by, and enter the address of your event. You have the option to use preset images. Delete any you do not require by selecting the red crosses on each photo, or upload your own by selecting the plus icon. Once you have uploaded your images, press Add Event to save. Now you can see a list view of all the events you have created.